Hey guys, welcome back to another Disney Doorable unboxing video. In this video, we can find some that are special scented edition, but we don't know how many we're gonna get, 5, 6, or 7. And this one is also series 8. And all of these, you can see the white ones are common, the green are rare, the blue are ultra rare, the purple is special edition, and the yellow are limited edition. And this one, I think this one is the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland. This one, I think, is a Tinkerbell fairy from the movie Tinkerbell. I think her name is Silvermeist. Oh, this one is Princess Tiana. Look how cute she is with her little crown and spoon. I think this one is from The Incredibles. Maybe it's Hades. Last one is, oh, so cute, my favorite. It's Boo from Monsters, Inc. It also comes with this little tiny booklet, which is a collector's guide. It shows you all the ones you can collect. It looks like all the ones that we got were commons. And we didn't get any special scented ones. My favorite one, I'm going to have to say, is Boo. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite one. Alright guys, well, thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.